Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is starting to be tweaked in the latest update, if you're on Windows 11 and have installed the preview update in Windows 11, which is the KB 508 3631, which is, of course, a preview update that's optional, so you don't have to install it until Patch Tuesday. One of the things that is done with this preview update is the start of something new where, of course, one of the major complaints from Windows users has always been the amount of RAM that's being used simply by, just leaving the system idle, not doing anything. You can see this by right-clicking in the Start menu button and go to Task Manager. And here you go into Performance and memory, and you'll see that the amount of RAM that is used with Windows 11 on your system compared to the RAM that you have. So, starting with this update, they are saying that there will be in the future updates to a series of measures that will make this amount of RAM lower. They want to optimize Windows to not always use every function and every service when it's not necessary. And so they are going to lower the amount of RAM throughout the year through a bunch of little changes that they're going to make in Windows. And it starts with this update that apparently already slashes somewhat the amount of RAM. Now, it's difficult to compare because I would have to compare with a machine that would be exactly the same and that does not have this update installed. But hopefully, this is going to help out. I know it's one of the biggest complaints of users how much RAM the system is using all the time to do what you want to do. So, this particularly in systems where the RAM memory will be lower. Some people have 16 or even only 8 gigabytes. This should show an improvement in performance if they do lower the amount of RAM used when Windows 11 is working. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.